Welcome to Higher Mathematics. Today my topics trigonometry. Discussing basic information previous class. This day my topics in 8.2. Question number 6. Prove the following identities. Tan A plus cot A equal sec A into cosec A. Solution. Left side. Tan A plus cot A equal tan A means sin A by cos A plus cot A means cos A by sin A. This part is LCM cos A into sin A. Then cos A into sin A divided by cos means sin. Then sin A into sin square A plus cos A into sin A divided by sin. Then cos A into cos A equal cos square A. Then sin square A plus cos square A equal by cos A into sin A equal 1 by cos A into sin A. Then sin square A plus cos square A equal 1 by sin A into 1 by cos A. This part is arranged equal 1 by cos A equal sec A into 1 by sin A equal cosec A. Then sec A into cosec A equal right side. So tan A plus cot A equal sec A into cosec A proved. Prove the following identities. 2. Root over 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal cosec theta plus cot theta equal root over sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1. This math is 3 parts: left side, right side and middle side. Then solution. Left side equal root over 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. This math, numerator and denominator, every time same maths but same type maths, multiplying numerator and denominator is a numerator. Then 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Though multiply 1 plus cos theta in numerator and denominator equal root over 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Then 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta equal 1 plus cos theta square, and 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta equal 1 square minus cos square theta equal root over 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Then 1 minus cos square theta equal sin square theta. Then square and root is vanished. Equal 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta by sin theta written as. This math is arranging part 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Then 1 by sin theta is cosec theta and cos theta by sin theta equal cot theta. So cosec theta plus cot theta equal middle side. Again right side equal root over sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1. Same process, same rules, multiplying equal root over sec theta plus 1 into sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. Then sec theta plus 1 into sec theta plus 1 equal sec theta plus 1 whole square by sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1, then sec square theta minus 1 square equal root over sec theta plus 1 whole square by tan square. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1, or sec square theta minus 1 equal tan square theta. This apply in formula equal square root is vanished, sec theta plus 1 by tan theta. This part is arranged sec theta by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal sec theta is a 1 by cos theta and tan theta is a sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by tan theta is a cot theta equal 1 by cos theta into cos theta by sec theta. Dividing part is multiplying plus cot theta equal 1 by sin theta plus cot theta, or 1 by sin theta is a cosec theta plus cot theta or middle side. So root over 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal cosec theta plus cot theta equal root over sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1. Proved. Prove the following identities. Root over 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a equal sec a minus tan a. Previous maths, processing by previous math, same type, same law, same process. Then do yourself. Question number 6 or 3. Prove the following identities. Sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta equal tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Solution, left side, sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta equal two parts, sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. This same sec, this power is 4 and 2, this lowest power common, sec square theta, then sec square theta minus 1, or sec square theta equal tan square theta plus 1 and sec square theta minus 1 or tan square theta. We know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1, or sec square theta equal tan square theta plus 1, or tan square theta equal sec square theta minus 1. This applying formula, or multiplying tan square theta into tan square theta, then tan square tan to the power 4 theta and 1 into tan square theta, but tan square theta equal right side. So sec to the power 4 minus sec square equal tan to the power 4 plus tan square. Proved. Question number 6 or 5. Prove the following identities. Sec theta minus cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into tan theta plus cot theta equal 1. Solution, left side, sec theta minus cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into tan theta plus cot theta, or we know cosec theta or sec theta, we know sec theta equal 1 by cos theta. Then apply sec theta equal 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, or cosec theta equal 1 by sin theta, then 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, or tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta equal sin cos theta by sin theta. These three parts, math is three parts. First part LCM 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Second part LCM 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Third part LCM sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos theta into sin theta. Then we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, or 1 minus cos square theta equal sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos theta into 1 minus sin square theta equal cos square theta, then cos square theta by sin theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, then 1 by cos theta into sin theta. This multiplying numerator and denominator, then sin square theta into cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. This numerator and denominator is equal or 1, right side. So sec theta minus cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into tan theta plus cot theta equal 1, proved. Question number 6. Prove the following identities. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal tan theta plus sec theta. This math is very complex. Then solution, left side, sin theta plus sec theta minus 1 and by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Let's see relation between sec theta and tan theta. We know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1. Then all time apply 1 in numerator, then put value sec square theta minus tan square theta, then tan theta plus sec theta minus sec square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. All time denominator is fixed value, no change, equal sec theta plus tan theta minus sec square theta minus tan square theta is a square minus b square. Formula is a square minus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b, or sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal, two part is a common, sec theta plus tan theta, and first part is a non-value is 1, then 1 minus sec theta minus or minus plus tan theta. Then arranging value is second part, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 into sec theta plus tan theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Then numerator denominator value is equal, then sec theta plus tan theta is a remaining part or right side. So tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal tan theta plus sec theta is proved. Group work. In a right angle triangle ABC, and A is a subtend angle alpha and C is subtend angle theta and B is subtend angle 90 degree. If AC by BC whole square plus AB by BC whole square equal 5 by 3, then the value of theta, show that sin 2 alpha equal 2 sin alpha into cos alpha equal 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Solve these two maths and brainstorming. Very easy. Homework. Exercise 8.2. Question number 6 all. Thanks for all students.